In this video, I'll guide you through how to import contacts from Gmail to Brevo. If you're looking to streamline your contact management and bring your Gmail contacts into Brevo, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, head over to brevo.com. This is where everything starts, and you'll want to ensure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu, and here you want to click on CRM. This stands for Customer Relationship Management, and it's where all the magic happens for managing your contacts efficiently. After clicking on CRM, the next step is to select Contacts from the options that appear. By doing this, you'll be taken to a new page where you can view and manage your contact lists. This is your hub for all things contacts related in Brevo. Now, let's move forward by clicking on Import Contacts. A prompt will likely appear asking if you want to continue, so go ahead and click Continue. This sets the stage for bringing in your contacts from another platform. Next, you'll want to click on Import from another tool. This is crucial, as it tells Brevo that you're looking to bring in contacts from an external source. In this case, Google Contacts. In the search bar that appears, type in Google Contacts and click on it when it pops up. This tells Brevo that you're specifically looking to import contacts from your Google account. The next step is to click on Setup Integration. This is where you begin the actual integration process between Google Contacts and Brevo. You'll need to enter a name for your integration. This name can be anything that helps you easily identify this particular setup. Once you've entered a name, click Continue to proceed. Now, you'll see an option for contact synchronization. Click on this to start syncing your contacts. You'll want to make sure the syncing of contacts from Google Contacts to a selected list on Brevo is turned on. This ensures that your contacts are continuously updated and transferred to the right list within Brevo. At this point, you'll need to click on Login to Google Contacts. This will prompt you to enter your Google account credentials and grant the necessary permissions for Brevo to access your contacts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once you're logged in, it's time to map your Google Contacts data to your Brevo attributes. This step is essential because it ensures that all your contact information is transferred correctly and matches the fields you have set up in Brevo. Take your time to map each attribute accurately. Finally, select a list in Brevo where you want these contacts to be imported. Set the sync frequency according to your needs. This could be daily, weekly, or whatever suits your workflow best. And there you have it. You're almost there. Just review everything to make sure it's set up correctly and you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully imported your contacts from Gmail to Brevo. Remember, this integration helps keep your contacts organized and up to date, saving you time and effort in managing your communications. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.